What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Trashaladdin, and today I have a mystery box. I will be opening this up. It is from one of my fans, somebody that watches my videos. He said he knows I like to get prices for low, like get shoes for low. So he's gonna send me his collection. He sent his collection, supposedly his collection. So we're gonna get into this video. I'm not gonna look at the shoes. We're gonna look at them at the same time, look at the condition, all of that. And I won't be saying the price I got these for, however much pairs it is. I won't be saying the price I got them for until after the event. So this is a mystery box, basically. Just guess in the comment section how much you think I got these for. Let's go. All right, y'all. From the paper that it came with, this weighs 20 pounds. Supposedly it weighs 20 pounds. I'm about ready to open this up, bro. See what's inside. Yes, sir. Let's get right into this vid. As always, I do have my iPad right here and also my phone to look up how much these shoes go for. Oh. Let's see the first shoe. A lot of bubble wrap. Some Jordan 7s. He did say all the boxes had OG boxes. Shoot. First shoe does have slight heel drag. I think it's called 10.7. Sheesh. It looked like he painted in these. They can be restored though. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. But let's check market on them. The Pantone 7s, I'm pretty sure. Or University Blue 7s, I forgot. Jordan size 10. Lowest on go is $72. No box. Lowest on go with box. Still no box. No box. Lowest on go with box is $110 and it's clean with the offer of $40. So sheesh. Should I restore these soon? I probably will, like wash them off. Quick wash off. Second box. $10.5. Looks like a Jordan 11 box. No, it's a Jordan 10 box. Alright. Pretty decent. Once again, OG box. I forgot what these are called, bro. I don't want to say the Orlando 10s. Let me just look at Jordan 10. Jordan 10, and these are my, everything is my size. That's crazy. Yeah, Orlando 10, size 10.5. Lowest on go is 130. Does that have box? It has box. Like same condition. So lowest on go is 130. Alright. Some 10s and 7s. See what's next. I guess that was a StockX card on the bottom. Jordan 13s. Okay. I think these are Royal 13s, I believe. I want to say white Royal. I don't know. But he did get these from StockX. The StockX card in there. Sheesh. Size 10.5. Let me check market. I don't know what these called, to be honest. I know about Jordans, bro, but it's just not an OG colorway, bro. That's Hyper Royal 10.5. Lowest on go is 120 with box. Offer 109. They have an offer of 109, and those are way worse than mine. That's crazy. And they have heel drag. So yeah. Oh god. I'm already knowing what box this is. I think that's this. Oh yeah, International Light or whatever, International 5s. That's crazy. I don't even know how much these go for, but sheesh. Would I rock these? They actually look clean, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. These actually look pretty clean, bro. Would I rock them? Nope. I like OG colorways. I like high colorways. Lowest on go is 100 with the original box. Like the same condition. Highest offer is $76. Okay. Okay. Everybody know what this box is. I'm already knowing this is Jordan 11 snakeskins. Yep. It's pretty yellow, but it's still in decent condition from what I see so far. Once again, I will not be saying how much I got this box for. You guys have to guess it in the comment section. Lowest on GOAT is $115 without original box, and those are destroyed. No box, $136. Original box, lowest on GOAT is $142. With the offer of $116. With the offer of $116, yes sir. It looks like it's a few more in this box. Like he G-code like hooked me up. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it looks like a Jordan 12 box. Jordan 12. Jordan 12s. I don't know what these are called. Looks like he kicked like somebody daughter in the face. There's blood on it. Y'all probably can't see that. He said he watches my videos and that he was gonna hook me up. So they call it dark gray. I would have called them cool gray 12s. I don't work for Jordan. Oh. Lowest on GOAT is $222 with the offer, no offer. Lowest on GOAT is $222 with the original box. Alright, yeah, so there's like 3 more shoes in here from what I see. Yeah, some Jordan 13. My bad, I was supposed to let y'all see it first. Oh. He got games, no heel drag. It's just yellow. Is this a newer pair? Yeah, it's a newer pair too. He got games, yellow. Still in good condition. You just literally have to ice them. I don't know how he got them this yellow. Crazy thing is that I have a pair back there, same size in a box, so I can just replace that yellow and replace that one with this one and restore this one and keep that collection. They have an offer of $140, but I'm not going through all of that. They'll sell it like this. Well, I'm gonna try and ice it before the event, probably today.
profit will be made. I didn't see it. It looks like a Jordan 4 box. You already know what these are. Actually in pretty good condition. Still have most of the size. Not bad, bro. I've seen beater pairs of these. This is how I like making my money from the crib, bro. I don't like leaving the crib, bro. Lowest I go is 90 with no box, thank God. Second lowest is 190 with the original box. That's the second lowest. And no offer, so 190. And you gotta grab the bow and arrow. 190. Once again, guess how much I got this one. One last shoe. But he really doing some StockX stickers. There you go. Let's get back to this last shoe. Looks like a Jordan 11 box. I didn't even look at the tag yet. What is it? Jordan 11. Got them platinum tint, boys. Authentic. Platinum tints. No heel drag. Look pretty clean. Actually really clean. I'll just have to clean the bottom. In good condition. As long as it has no heel drag, I'm not worried, bro. Yellowing, I'm not worried. It's the heel drag. And it came with the inserts. It's crazy. It come with both. Yep, both inserts. And the StockX receipt. This one organized. This one has no heel drag. Nope. Size 10.5. Yo, I honestly gotta steal. Use lowest on goat is 120 with no box. Come on. 120 with no box again. Come on. 125 no box. Come on. 125 no box again. Come on. 139 no box. Come on. 140 no box. Keep going. 140 no box again. 160 no box again. 161 no box. 162 no box. 165 with box. 165 is the lowest with box. And basically the same condition. It got like doodle stains on it. So I'm focusing on my face. I don't know if you can see that. We bought these for $208 and retail is $220 at a discount. I got 9 pairs. So yeah, go ahead and guess down below how much I got all of these for, bro. Also, show up to that event. We'll have all of these plus more. Let me give you a sneak peek of what I will have. Easy. A lot of stuff like that. I don't even know what ones these are. Oh, okay, I got these two. A whole lot of stuff. I got one thing. I don't know if I'm gonna sell it at the event. Probably gonna have to sell it on GOAT for the first time. I'm gonna have to use GOAT. I just got a pair of these, size 8 with box. Size 8 or size 41, which should be 8 in US. Yeah, size 8. So if you want these, pull up to the event or DM me. I'm going to try and sell them at the event first, but DM me if you want these size 8 wood box. 100% authentic. All of my shoes are 100% authentic. But yeah, y'all boys, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on trashaladdin and Atlanta_Reasons, and my brand at DSDID. Also me on TikTok at DSDID. Till next time, y'all boys, stay safe, stay easy out in these streets. Yeah,